Hi, I'm Andrew Barr with Producing in the Box, where I teach you how to make incredible sounding music using nothing else but just a laptop. Today, we're going to get into vocal chops and how to add those into your productions to make them sound more professional. But before we get into that, if you would like to know how to actually record vocals before you even chop them up, you are in luck, because I have a free guide that you can download right now by clicking the link in the description. It is called The Ultimate Guide to Recording Vocals at Home. Whether you are a seasoned producer or just a beginner, this is going to be super helpful for you, because I go through what microphone you should buy, what interface you should buy, how to record great sounding vocals in any room of your house using a technique that I like to call the pop-up acoustic treatment method. And I go through EQ, compression. I mean, it really is the ultimate guide to recording vocals at home. So if you would like that, click the link in the description. It is completely free. Thank you for being a part of this channel. Thank you for watching, and thank you for clicking that subscribe button if you haven't already. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi, Andrew Barr with Producing in the Box, where I teach you how to make incredible sounding music using nothing else but just a laptop. So let's get into the vocal chops. This is going to be a pretty short video because there's not a lot to this. There's a lot of ways you could do this, but I'm going to kind of show you the basic techniques. So here are the vocal chops by themselves, and we're going to listen to this real quick. And they really bring out some space and some atmosphere during this part. So let's just play it with and play it without. And now without. And then we're going to bring it back in here. So this is a sample I just got on Splice, and it just sounds like this. It's just this sample, and you could pull different parts of your main vocal and add some effects to it, some reverbs, delays, and things like that. And if you'd like to know how to go from raw vocals to this spot, let me know in the comments below, and I will gladly make a video for it. But this is just a sample I pulled up on Splice, and I just pitched it down and put it into different sections here. So let's duplicate the track, and let's do this live here. I'm going to mute these since we don't want them right now. And I'm going to show you how to do this. So now let's pull that sample up real quick here. So here's this. Now I know I want one here, and I want it to be a little bit lower. So we'll have both of these on here. I think that's 2 down. So I'm just going to transpose the second one down. And I'm literally going to make a third one and place it over here. And holding Alt or Option if you're on a Mac to duplicate it. And then I think that would be 5 down if I'm not mistaken. And you can just play around with this to figure it out. Nope. 7 down. Yep. Super, super simple. And we're just going to mute that. Now that's how I made that beginning part that, of the vocal chops. Real simple. Literally just pulled a sample from Splice and pitched it down for each section there. Now there's this little guy right here who is super, super handy, and we're going to give him a listen real quick, and then we're going to recreate this guy as well. So he sounds like this. And he kind of brings things back in to kind of like tease in the second vocal here. So it goes. And this is super, super easy to make. I know that it's the same note as this one. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. I'm going to chop that. I'm going to bring it over here and hold Alt or Option if you're on a Mac to copy it over. bring it to here, and then duplicate and duplicate again. And then we're going to add some fades. Actually, I'm going to select all of these guys, and then we're going to add some fades in here to make it not so harsh. And then we're going to meet the original here. And the fades might be just a little bit too much. And then one more thing I want to do is to keep it from being a little too harsh of a cutoff there. I'm going to add just a little bit of reverb so that way the cutoff doesn't sound super harsh and abrupt. Maybe just a little bit more. There it is. So now with all of this together, it sounds like this. Now that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you would like to listen to this full song on Spotify, the link is in the description. It's by a band called Into, and the song is called Meaningless. These guys are super great, super talented, and I've been working with them for quite a while now. Love them to pieces. So check out their song. The link will be in the description below. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing. If you would like to know anything more about vocal chops, because there's a lot more that I could get into with this, let me know in the comments below. So thank you for watching, and thank you for being here. Now, go create.